that, you know, it was just a closed-in area, really small, and I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with the space. And that's why I kind of leaned on Timisha to help me along with the process. So I'm really excited to get started on this.
Meet the all-star home talkers. They help you do it yourself so you can create the home you love. These are real people, real projects, real stories. This is DIY Nearby.
What we're going to do today is I'm going to show Vanessa how to prep the room for painting, and we're going to put together some bookcases that we found at a thrift store.
All right.
Before you start painting, you want to go in and fill in any of the nail marks. You can just use like a light sanding paper and that closes it in and covers it. But sometimes when you have these little indentations and these little nail marks, you can use a little putty. So we're gonna paint 3 of the walls white. And then the main wall will be the focal wall, and it's gonna be painted a royal rich blue. So basically what this paint stick does, it actually is an easy paint stick, and you're supposed to be able to just roll it right on the wall. So let's test this out. For edges, I use an angled brush.
Okay.
Tip from my dad, because he would say quickly all the time, "You're wasting tape."
How long does the paint last once you complete the job and you put it away? Does it have an expiration time frame?
In the jar?
Yes.
So as long as air doesn't get to it, it should stay put. With the white, I didn't feel it was necessary to take it off so much with the white. But with that blue is very rich. It's a little harder to cover up. Alright, so now that we have the paint up, let's go ahead and put in the bookcases. But before we go and put in the bookcases, one of the questions that you asked me about was furniture tipping over. And a lot of times they have these anti-tipping brackets in the store that you can buy. They're about $9 each. Those are a little pricey. However, I'm gonna show you a way that you can do this just with some corner brackets.
Okay.
So as you move the stud finder from left to right, you see the lights move.
Okay.
And so what it does with this stud finder, it tells you where the studs are located. If you see an outlet, there is always a stud around an outlet.
Okay.
Because the outlet is placed to the right or to the left of the stud.
Okay.
To keep symmetry with the room, we're adding a shelf in the middle so that the bookcases will look like they're built into along the wall. Inexpensive shelf brackets, they're about $1 and some change from your local home center. And this will support a board that is 10 by 12.
I honestly felt like I could not do this project on my own because I just couldn't visualize what exactly I wanted for this space. So I'm really excited to get the help. The room is absolutely beautiful. It's more than I would have ever imagined, and I can't even believe this is the same exact space. So I'm really excited about it. Now that Timisha has shown me how to do all this stuff, I'm really excited to tackle some other projects in the home.
Vanessa, I'm so happy I was able to help you with your space. I hope you enjoy it and love it. And the skills that we went over and during this experience, I hope you can utilize it in your kids' loft, working in your daughter's bedroom, and get the kids involved.
I will. Thank you.
It's good. It's good. Beautiful. Let's handsome.
Do you like the office, Mama?
Yes.
Yes.
Bye. Bye.
The people, projects, and stories featured on this show come from viewers like you.